Manchester Nightlife 2025, the perfect blend of beauty, energy, and connection. Manchester Nightlife 2025 brings a vibrant picture of nightlife in one of the most dynamic cities in England. Famous not only for football and music, Manchester, when night falls, transforms into a paradise of lights, sounds, and people. At the center of this excitement are the beautiful, friendly girls who contribute to the unique character of the city's nightlife. The highlight of Manchester Nightlife 2025 lies in these youthful, charming women. Under the dazzling neon lights, they appear in diverse fashion styles, from seductive bodycon dresses and edgy leather jackets to bold tones of red, green, and purple. Each has her own style, but together they create a colorful, harmonious, and captivating scene. More than just their beauty, they radiate friendliness and a joy for life, leaving an unforgettable impression on international visitors. What makes Manchester Nightlife 2025 truly special is the friendliness it offers. It's not only in their smiles or their eyes, but in the warm spirit of welcoming every guest. You can easily strike up conversations with strangers, connect with new friends, and feel like you're part of the community. This openness has turned Manchester's nightlife into an experience that no one can forget. When people talk about Manchester Nightlife 2025, it's not only about the music, fashion, or bars. What lingers most is the feeling of freedom, joy, and human connection. The beautiful, friendly girls here not only reflect modern fashion trends, but also symbolize the youth, passion, and vitality of the city. If you are looking for a nightlife experience that is both lively and warm, both exciting and welcoming, then Manchester Nightlife 2025 is the perfect destination. Here, every night can become an unforgettable memory, where music, lights, and the friendliness of people blend into a remarkable journey. Step into Manchester once and feel it for yourself, because Manchester Nightlife 2025 is not just a night out. It is a life experience that everyone should try at least once in their lifetime.